Hey you guys, welcome back to ItzArika TV. So a few days ago, I posted a little girl who got out of some zip ties. So you guys, this is my version of trying to escape some zip ties, alright? So fuck with me, stay tuned, and let's see if I was able to get out of these zip ties. So first, I gotta put my shoes on. Fuck the socks. And I just don't know. I have to put myself in this zip tie because I have nobody here. Baby's not here. So this shit gotta work. Or I'm actually gonna be stuck in this zip tie because nobody is here, y'all. So let's just see if I'm able to reenact what this little white girl is doing. Okay, y'all? We'll see. Maybe I ain't gonna be able to do this. Oh, smooth side out. Okay. All right. Let's do it again because I wasn't putting it on right. Okay, y'all. Alright. Okay. I'm fucking stuck in zip ties. Like if I wanted to get out, I'm really trying to sit here and figure out how the fuck I'm gonna get out if it don't work with these shoes. So look, bitch. We stuck in the back of a car and shit. We got the zip ties. Now when you in the back of a car, you're like that. So let's hope like, I don't know, you in a van, bitch, and you got some room. So we finna see. So she said, take one of your shoestrings. So, y'all, it ain't even no space. That was a little white girl, so the zip tie had way more space. So I'm already presented with a challenge because, oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my God. I can't get the shoestring through here. So, hold on. Okay. I got it through. I just heard something. Figure out how the little girl tied her shoestring on. Because I'm sitting here just trying to figure out how. Oh, wait. She did this and she used this shoestring. I can't tie no knot. I'm sitting here like, I can't even really move my hands. So she was to twist her hands in the way whatever. Hell no, this ain't fitting to fucking work. Cause look at this zip tie. I ain't got no fucking room. That little girl was little. I was able to get one shoestring, but I'm just sitting here like, you got to be a determined bitch to get the shoestring through here, tie a knot. Hold on. I'm finna do this shit. Hold on. Cause I was almost there, except now my circulation, my blood flow. I don't have the energy that I did the first time that I put the fucking string there. Yeah, I'm gonna just try to get this off because there's no room. So yeah. All right, y'all. I do really have a real knife because I'm sitting here like, how the fuck? I'm stuck. And no fucking body is here. Like, I'm finna bite this shit off. This shit hurt. My dumb ass. Yeah, okay, so I'm really stuck and my arms really fucking hurt and there's really nothing I can fucking do about it unless I go outside and tell these people that I tied myself in a zip tie and I need them to get me out. You guys, y'all come on with me. I literally had to just bite the shit off my fucking hand. Because I was not going outside to tell nobody that I was fucking stuck in zip ties. What if they try to do something to me? Like, I'm really fucking stuck in zip ties. Okay, y'all. That shit didn't work. Fuck that.